Hi and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to guide you that how you can change the password of your Binance account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. The first thing you need to do is to open your Binance application on your device. The next thing you can do is to tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on that, then tap on the profile again and it will access to the account center. In account center, tap on security. And from here, you need to tap on the password. And in the password section, all you can do is to change the password. But before changing the password, they say account restriction. In order to protect your account, withdrawal, P2P selling, and payment services might be disabled for 24 hours after you change your password. So keep that in mind that if you change your password, you cannot do all these actions on the Binance application for 24 hours. So tap on continue and here you need to enter your new password. So it can be 8 to 128 characters, at least one number, at least one uppercase letter. So you need to choose a password according to the instructions. So I will choose a password and then show you. So guys, once you choose a password, as you can see, I choose a password according to the instructions they're given, and you need to confirm the password one more time. So guys, once both passwords matching each other, the next thing you can do is to tap on the confirm option. So once you tap on confirm, they say password has been changed. Your password has been successfully changed. Please log in with the new password. And now you should go back and log in to the Binance account using your new password. So guys, this is all it takes to change the password on Binance application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.